In this video, we present a heat generation room project. The project provides for the installation of a heat generation room on the first floor of residential building. The primary heat sources are a heat pump with a nominal heating capacity of 16 kilowatts and a gas boiler with a nominal heating capacity of 25 kilowatts. The backup heat source in an electric boiler with a nominal heating capacity of 14 kilowatts. When operating the electric boiler and the gas boiler, the heat transfer medium is water with a temperature regime of 80 to 60 degrees Celsius. When operating the heat pump, the heat transfer medium is water with a temperature regime of 50 to 40 degrees Celsius. To stabilize the thermal performance of the system, a 300 liters buffer bank is provided. Domestic hot water supply is ensured by a 300 liters indirect heating boiler. The project includes installation of a distribution manifold with 3 connections for consumers. Separate pumping groups are provided to supply the manifolds. Compensation for thermal expansion of heat transfer medium is ensured by a 50 liters expansion vessel. Such a project can be successfully implemented by a thermi.